When it comes to ESD protection for ungrounded static-sensitive components and PCBAs, transporting and storing them in static shielding bags is one of the most effective methods. Choosing the right type of static shielding bag is very important, but using it properly is the most important part. Let's go over the do's and don'ts of using ESD shielding bags. Do purchase a large enough bag to completely enclose the ESDs device or assembly. Always make sure your entire device is enclosed and the bag is sealed, zippered closed, or folded over and sealed with ESD protective tape or label. This will create a complete Faraday cage. Don't staple the bag. It can damage the static shielding layer and be a source of an ungrounded conductor in the bag. Do remove potential static charges on the exterior of the bag and ground your body before opening. Before opening a shielding bag, always ground yourself or place it on a grounded ESD work surface to neutralize any charge buildup, and then ground yourself before removing the contents. Don't open it in your hands or on an ungrounded surface or before grounding the bag unless you are grounded to an ESD floor. Do check for damage to the bag before reusing. Multiple use bags should have periodic compliance verification for surface resistance inside and out. You should also periodically inspect for pinholes and crumpling, which can affect the static shielding performance and expose component leads to ungrounded hands. Don't reuse bags with pinholes. Holes mean no protection. Do use an actual ESD work surface material at the workstation. When the contents of the bag are removed, the bag should be set aside. The surface resistance on the exterior of a shielding bag may not be conductive enough to be considered an ESD work surface and may not be grounded. Don't handle or work on components directly on a bag if there is no path to ground and doesn't meet the RTG requirement of an ESD work surface. Follow these simple tips and your ESD-sensitive devices will stay protected inside or outside your EPA. Thanks for watching.